Hello student, today we will learn input and output devices. So what is input devices? The devices through which control signals are sent to a computer are termed as input devices. Means input device means the device that enter the information into the computer. Nowadays, we use different types of input devices to store data and information into the computer. So now we will discuss about types of input devices. So our first input devices is keyboard. Keyboard are used to enter the text into a computer. Is it clear? Our next input device is mouse. Mouse is used to control the position of pointer on the screen. Next, touchpad. Touchpad is also used to control the pointer. Next, remote control. It is used to control the other devices like that TV, PC, CD, DVD, etc. Next, scanner. Scanner is used for transform the image of hard copies to the computer. Next is microphone. It is also an input device. It is used to record our sound. Next input device is camera. You already know about camera. Daily you are using in your mobile. So it is used to take images. Okay, it will capture your images. Is it clear? Our next input devices is OCR. OCR means optical character reader. It will recognize character. Okay, so it is a types of scanner optical character reader. Next is OMR. OMR means optical mark reader. You will see when you fill your roll number in 10th board examination, then you fill marks and fill up your circle. When you fill up this circle, then OMR machine recognize this circle and take data in this machine, and it will store your data in OMR sheet. Is it clear what is the use of OMR? Our next input device is MICR. MICR means magnetic ink character reader. Magnetic ink character reader, basically it is used in banks. Okay, you will see in checks and downside here is showing a special character. It is magnetic ink character. So this machine and this input device recognize these magnetic ink character reader code. So who will recognize? Magnetic ink character reader device recognize this code and convert data. Is it clear? Next, BCR. BCR means barcode reader. Basically, it is used to shops. You will see in any product is showing is vertical lines. Okay, this is barcode reader. When you went to mall, then they recognize this barcode reader. So basically, it is used in shops. Next is ECR. ECR means electronically character reader. Electronically character reader, and we can also say electronically code reader. Is it clear? When you use it is an example of ECR is ATM, credit card, debit card, etc. So when we enter our ATM and debit and credit card into ATM machines, these machines are called ECR, electronically code reader. Is it clear? Again, we will uh, discuss about OCR. OCR means optical character reader. These are special font, so it will recognize this input device to these special characters. Okay, OMR. This is optical mark reader where you mark. It may be in circle or squares. Okay, magnetic ink character reader. So it will recognize magnetic ink character. BCR, barcode reader. So a barcode reader machine and barcode reader input device read these bars. Okay, and ECR, electronically code reader, and it's recognize our ATM debit and credit cards. Is it clear? Now come to our output devices. What is our output devices? So the device that receive data from a computer system for display called output device. Means we can say a hardware component used to display information to the user is called output device. It may be soft and hard copy. When user see result on monitor, it known as soft copy, and when user take printout of our result on paper, it's known as hard copy. Now we discuss which device we will use to output devices. Our first output device is monitor, commonly called VDU. VDU means visual display unit. It forms images from tiny dots called pixel that arrange in rectangular form. The sharpness of images depend upon the number of pixels. So your sharpness of images will be depend on your pixels. Okay, there are two kinds of screen use your monitor. CRT, cathode ray tube, which in which use cathode ray tube, and next LCD and LEDs. Is it clear? Our next input device is printer. It is also a output device which is used to print information on paper. So printer, we use to printer to print information on paper. Nowadays we use different types of monitor like dot matrix, daisy wheel, line, drum, inkjet, and laser printer. But nowadays we are using only laser printer. Is it clear? Our next output device is speaker. Speaker is used to give out the music, speech, and sound. Our next output device is projector. It's connected to the computers to present information to a large audience, present to information to a large audience. Basically, it's used for seminars. Is it clear? Where we will use projector? It is used for present information to a large audience. Is it clear? Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video.